By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what affiliate marketing is, how it works, why it is ideal for Nigerians, three examples or case studies of people making it big time using platforms like Expertnaire and Seller, benefits, challenges, and clear steps to help you get started. Hello everyone and welcome to Side Hustle Nigeria. My name is Joseph Anthony and I'm excited to have you here on my channel where I'll be talking to you about affiliate marketing and how you can succeed in this. Today we are starting from the very beginning with a question: what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a straightforward way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services. You don't create the product, you don't store it, you don't ship it, and you don't handle customers' complaints. All you do is recommend products you believe in using a special tracking link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, a percentage of the sale price that goes straight to you to your bank account. It is like being a digital recommender. In Nigeria, we already love sharing goods with friends and family. We already love or involved in the habit of recommending our tailors, our cook to someone who would be interested in engaging their services. So just like we do, the best way you can do affiliate marketing is also by recommending digital products to friends and families. The best phone accessory on Jumia, you have probably gotten that information from someone. A powerful online course that changed your life, you probably heard somebody talk about it. Or a useful digital template. Affiliate marketing is simply turning those natural recommendations into income. We recommend our organizer, we recommend our tailor, we recommend our salon to our friends and family, but we don't get paid. But affiliate marketing is putting money in your pocket just by you recommending services, products to other people. The system involves three main parts. The first part is the merchant, the person or company that owns and sells the product. This could be a big platform or an individual creating and selling digital courses, ebooks, or tools. The second party involved in this business is the affiliate, and that is you. You join the merchant affiliate program, get your unique link, and share it with your audience through WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or any message. Now, the third partner in this business is the final consumer, the person who clicks your link and makes a purchase. Now, when this purchase is made, there is a tracker in the link this person clicks. It is that tracker that helps in tracking your purchase or your sale. The tracking system automatically credits the sale to you and you get paid your commission. No stories, no issues. Commissions vary in affiliate marketing depending on the product you are promoting, but they can be very generous, especially with digital products. You might earn 30%, 40%, 50% or more. For example, if you promote a product worth 20,000 naira and your commission is 50%, that means you'll be walking home with 10,000 naira in your account for the sale of just one product. What if you are able to make few sales that same week? This will add up to become a meaningful extra income for you without leaving your phone all in the comfort of your phone. To make this real for us here in Nigeria, let us look at two excellent platforms doing fantastic on affiliate marketing. We have the Expertnaire platform and we have Seller. Expertnaire is one of the top affiliate platforms in Nigeria for affiliate marketers, and I recommend you joining this platform because their products are wonderful their method of payment is exceptional. When you join Expertnaire, which is one of the top affiliate platforms in Nigeria, you need to focus on high quality products that you are sure will bring in sales. Online courses, teaching skills, and etc. And make sure that you engage platforms such as WhatsApp for your WhatsApp marketing. You also need the skill of copywriting and business growth to scale up. Many successful Nigerian entrepreneurs sell their courses on Expertnaire. When you join Expertnaire as an affiliate, which is not absolutely free, there is a token for you to join. You can choose products that match your interest, get your affiliate link, and start promoting those digital products. A common example is promoting a popular course that sells for 20,000 or 50,000 with commissions that is often around 40 to 50%. One sale can bring you 10 to 25,000 naira commission. Many beginners in cities like Lagos, Ibadan, Abuja, or Port Harcourt have been able to build steady income over the years by sharing the links in WhatsApp group, Facebook pages, Instagram stories, and they keep getting massive sales. The platform pays weekly via bank transfer, making it reliable and convenient. What about Seller? Seller is also a wonderful platform for you to join or begin your affiliate marketing business. Seller is a powerful Nigerian platform perfect for promoting affordable digital products like ebooks, banners, Canva templates, resume packs, or even music beats. Creators set their price often between 3,000 and 10,000 naira, and affiliates typically earn between 30 to 50% commission. Because the products are lower priced, they sell more easily. For instance, you could promote a productivity planner or a fashion styling guide to your followers on TikTok or Instagram. Each sale of that product may bring you a commission like 2,000 naira or even 5,000 naira. And since they are digital, buyers get instant access, which means faster trust and more repeat recommendation. Seller also handles payment smoothly through local gateways that pay and other medium on your bank account. So you get paid without international transfer issues. Why is affiliate marketing especially a good business opportunity for Nigerians right now? See, we have millions of active social media users in Nigeria, affordable data plans, and a strong hustle culture. Whether you are a student managing school fees, a working professional looking for extra income, or a retiree wanting something easy to know, this works best with you because it requires almost no money to start aside from your registration fee. Just your phone and your internet, then you're good to go. You can promote during your free time, and once links are shared, sales can come in passively. In some cases, you may share a link today, and probably you've forgotten about the link. Sales can come from that same link, maybe in the next 2 months, or 3 months, or few weeks down the line. Even when you have completely forgotten you have shared that link, so that's why it is one of the businesses you can start off if you truly want to make money online. Like any business, of course, there are challenges. Building an audience takes time, and people don't like spamming promotion. But the key to getting sales is to promote genuinely. Only recommend products you have checked or truly believe will help others. Competition exists, but by focusing on niches you grow well, like education, health, or fashion. These niches you understand so well can even help you make more money because of your foundation knowledge. and this can help you stand out. So if you are ready to start, here are the simple steps. One, choose a topic or a niche you are passionate about or something you already talk about with friends. Two, sign up for affiliate account with Expertnaire or Seller. I really recommend Expertnaire for you. Now browse the marketplace of this affiliate platform. Pick one or two products that feel right. Copy your affiliate link and share it purposely for people to have their challenges solved because that is giving value. Or maybe perhaps you can do a short review or testimony about why it is helpful. Track your results in the dashboard, learn what works and keep improving. That is the foundation of affiliate marketing. Simple, powerful, and proven. So in my next video, I'll be talking to you about why this model is particularly perfect for Nigeria in 2026 and beyond. Thank you for watching Site Audio Nigeria. If this video has really helped you to gain understanding of affiliate marketing, please do well to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the next video I drop. Drop any comment that comes to your mind and let us collaborate